Hey all, I'm Chris this side from Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So again a summary video of this FINNIFTY expiry. Before telling you any update on how I manage the trade, let me tell you what profit and loss I made in total. So in this Zerodha account I made 70.5k profit, and in this main Alice Blue account I made 18k profit, and in this small account I made almost 11k profit. So altogether it is like 47k profit, okay, for the day. Now let me summarize the day. So what happened in just the first two candles of the day? Before that it opened gap down of like 35-40 points, okay, and then what happened, as and when it opened it slide down, and in the first two candles only it fell down by 125 points. And what it did, let me show you that. So if you see, it made a low of like 19,300, right? So what it did to this thing, okay, sorry, really sorry, actually I'm showing you Nifty chart. So see here what happened, ये gap down खोला पहले कुछ 75 points, and after then it slide down by 130 points. So if you see, it made a low of 19,525, right? So let me show you what actually happened with 19,400, which was like 125 points away even from the lowest point of the day. Okay, so what it did, आप यहाँ पे देखोगे in the first two candles, actually in the first candle only, from a low of 1.7 it reached a high of almost 40. Okay, so that's the kind of IV spike. It was not actually the IV spike, it was just the delta. क्योंकि अगर आप IV देखोगे, so मैं आपको वो भी दिखाता हूँ, just give me a moment. Okay, see, तो यहाँ पे what happened, as and when market opened, okay, so here it opened, so this is straddle which opened with 122 points. In the first two candles it slide down to like 100 points. So actually there was not any IV spike that happened, it was just the delta move that happened. Okay, so and why that delta move happened, अगर आप देखोगे 125 points 130 points अगर market move कर रहा है, so obviously a strike which is just 125 points away from the lower end will obviously a spike, right? So it spiked for a bit for a while, and then from 14 it reached down to 7 or 6 in just next 1 minute. This is how market move in the first two candles only. And after then what I did here, and I didn't get any hit, to be very honest. Reason for that, I started with very risk off approach. Okay, अगर आप देखोगे, I started with these P and C. Okay, P was 19,350 and C was 1900. Okay, so अगर आप देखोगे this when market opened it was at like 640, right? So यहाँ से it was like 300 points away. Okay, this put. So obviously that is the reason why even after this fall this put didn't gains way too much. Okay, and मैं आपको वो भी शो करता हूँ. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे इसने थोड़ा बहुत इसने भी गेन किया, नो डाउट, इसने 8 तक गया था ये, बट अगर आप देखोगे मैंने इसे 3.2 पे सेल किया है. उसके बाद मैंने 900 को 850 पे स्विच किया. ओके, 850 को मैंने तुरंत 800 पे स्विच किया, वेट या 800 पे स्विच किया. ये सारे मैंने 2 मिनट के अंदर किए. ओके, सो मेरे को इतना कुछ फर्क दिखा नहीं, to be very honest, on this MTM. Okay, and after that I completely risked off. After a while I just waited for like half an hour 1 hour, and उसके बाद में बिल्कुल ही रिस्क ऑफ हो गया था. ये मैंने टेलीग्राम पे अपडेट भी दिया था. रीजन फॉर द रिस्क ऑफ वाज दिस कंटिन्यूअस डाउन मूव. ओके, दिस कंटिन्यूअस IV फॉल. ओके, और इस तरीके से लीनियर डीके हो रहा था इन द फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर 1 आवर. उसके बाद मेरे को लगा इफ एनी मूव विल हैपन आई वोंट बी एबल टू कैप्चर इट इफ आई विल बी वेरी क्लोज टू मेनी ऑप्शंस. ओके, सो दे ओनली आई डिसाइडेड आई विल बी कंप्लीटली रिस्क ऑफ. बट उसके बाद सेकंड हाफ I thought in the second half I will try to play aggressive and will try to capitalize on the decay. Okay, in the second half, but what happened, I was completely busy today, so I didn't actually capitalize on in the second half move. Okay, and that is the reason I'm closing with like 36k in main accounts, and altogether 36k in main accounts and 10-11k in a small account. Otherwise the way they went today, and looking at all other expiries that happened in the last 1 or 2 months, I would say it was an easy day, no doubt about it. अगर मैं as aggressive play किया होता so it would have given me really good decay, leaving these first two candles and something here. Okay, after 3 अगर आप देखोगे, so this was the high it made on in the 3 PM candle, and from here to the low it is 96 point of move. So यहाँ पे अगर कोई थोड़ा भी trap हुआ होगा, so obviously for them it was a bad day. So those who just saved themselves in the first two candles move and in the last 20 minutes move, they would have gained a lot. Although if you see from this low to this high is a very big move, it's 180 points of move, but still I feel like it was very much manageable because the way it moved, it was not very aggressive. बहुत slowly and aggressive, बहुत slowly and steady it was going up. Okay, so and in between it also came down. So जो भी थोड़ा IV spike हुआ भी होगा call के side, it would have just compensated, okay, completely. So, and why I'm telling you this way, because I was not very active today, so I was not actually tracking the movement in the premiums, okay, but looking at the way market moved, और मैं बहुत risk drop में था, तो मेरे को तो वैसा कुछ भी दिक्कत नहीं हुई, okay, to be very honest. So that's the update, that's the complete summary about the day and how I managed it. Okay, let me tell you that also in a summarized manner. So मैं उसके बाद बिल्कुल रिस्क ऑफ यहाँ पे कहीं पे किया, उसके बाद जब मार्केट ऊपर गया तो मैं 850 के स्ट्राइक पे था, दिस वन, ओके, तो मेरे को इतना कुछ दिक्कत लग नहीं रही थी. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भी 625, इट इज एक्चुअली लाइक 225 पॉइंट्स अवे, ओके. मैं जब 230 के आसपास कैंडल गया, मतलब समवेयर हियर, दे ओनली आई डिसाइडेड ओके नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू जस्ट ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज समथिंग. ऑल्दो आई वाज दैट बिजी कि मैं इससे पहले कैपिटलाइज कभी नहीं कर पाया, ना ही मैंने यहाँ पे किया, ओके. सो मैं टोटल 400 पॉइंट स्ट्रैंगल पे बैठा था, बट यहाँ पे 230 के आसपास मैंने समवेयर हियर मैंने उसे 100 पॉइंट्स के स्ट्रैंगल पे कर दिया, ओके. मींस ऑल टुगेदर 200 पॉइंट स्ट्रैंगल पे. उसके बाद जस्ट कैरीड दैट थिंग, नथिंग एल्स आई डिड. ड्यूरिंग एवरेजिंग आई ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज समथिंग, बट इफ यू लुक, इफ यू सी 550 में मैंने कुछ 700 प्रॉफिट किया, 500 पे मैंने कुछ नहीं प्रॉफिट किया. So that's how I just capitalized. So it simply shows that I didn't capitalize anything on that thing. So still a decent outcome considering how busy I was today and considering how I was playing today. So it was completely a passive day for me, and on a passive day and considering the day it went, so I would say a decent gain, okay. So yeah, that's the summary about today, and I hope you also had a good day, and I hope everything that I'm sharing with you, you're learning something from them. And if you do, then please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and goodbye.